There's a fairly large cotton shrub that we pass on a pretty regular basis. In this video, I'm going to show you how the leaves can be used to make natural plant dye.
Ew, there's algae on the side.
The fabric that I'm using for this process was gifted to me, and I'm not certain of the fiber content. I have an idea that it is cotton, but I'm not sure what else is in here. But I do believe it's a natural fiber. I'm going to do a burn test to confirm my idea about this. This is something I learned way back in the early 2000s when I took textile science class in 2002 as part of my work as an undergraduate fashion design student. And I recall that if it's a natural fiber like cotton, it will just burn, the fabric will burn, and the edge will, still pretty much be soft to the touch. If it's synthetic, like I know that this piece of fabric is right here, I know that it's polyester, it's going to curl up as it burns, and the resulting edge will be hard to the touch because essentially it's plastic, and so it's going to form a hard edge which will make a sound that you can hear when you rub your finger against it or scratch it. So that's how I was able to determine that the white piece is natural. I think maybe it's cotton mixed with rayon. This dye is just barely warm. We're not getting much sun today. So we'll see how this does. Now, I did not mordant this fabric, and I don't know the tannin content of cotton leaves or cotton plants. This may have a high concentration of tannin, which will help with color fastness. As I was rinsing it, none of the color washed out, so it held up pretty well. So that lets me know that perhaps it does have a significant amount of tannin in the leaves. Since I couldn't get the screen recorder to work, this is me literally filming my other phone to show you the outcome when I did this in summer 2023. You can see the color is darker here. So I think it's just really based on the type of fabric you use, and even the weave of the fabric is going to determine the outcome of color that you have. Using cotton leaves to make natural plant dye, and even just walking past the shrub that we get the leaves from, is always a really meditative and contemplative process for me, just given the historical context of cotton in parts of the United States. I do appreciate the ease with which this dye can be made, and even the easy access I have to the plant to get the leaves. So this is one that I'll come back to every now and then. Thanks for watching.